Okay, when attaching the spare hammer switch, make sure you don't put it too close to the top of the hammer rod, so maybe somewhere halfway down. So all you have to do is remember, bear in mind the orientation, do not paste it like this. It's better to paste it this way. So it's resting horizontal. So put into position and then tape it down. Okay.
Horizontal.
Yep. Tape it tightly to the rod and ensure that no water or dust or dirt can get through. So just to be sure, you can do a few extra reps and then it should be good. Okay, and then you got your open end here, so you just put that into the wire block and just clamp it. The red is positive, blue is negative. Remember to keep it the same for the other end as well.
Okay, let me show the hammer switch. Point it. Horizontal.
Yeah.
Horizontal.
So when it's up,
Right.
it's like that.
Right, lay it on the floor.